Hey there, coffee lovers. Have you ever wondered why some people can't get enough of their morning brew while others can take it or leave it? Turns out the answer might be hidden in our genes. Researchers recently published a fascinating study in neuropsychopharmacology that dives deep into the genetics of coffee consumption. Using data from over 460,000 participants, they were able to pinpoint specific genetic variants linked to how much coffee we drink. They identified 7 genetic loci, including genes like CYP1A1 and CYP1A2, which are involved in caffeine metabolism. In simple terms, this means that our genes can influence just how much coffee we crave and consume. But that's not all. The study also uncovered some interesting connections between coffee consumption and other behaviors. People who are genetically predisposed to drink more coffee also tend to have a higher likelihood of smoking, drinking alcohol, and even using cannabis. It's all tied up in our DNA, folks. Sandra Sanchez-Roig, a co-author of the study, points out the potential implications of this finding. By understanding the genetic variants associated with excessive coffee consumption, researchers hope to learn more about why people might overconsume other substances too. Now, let's talk about health. The study didn't just stop at coffee habits, it also looked at how these coffee-related genes are linked to various health outcomes. For instance, there was a positive genetic correlation between coffee intake and obesity-related traits like body mass index or BMI. However, Haley Thorpe, the study's lead author, cautions that this doesn't mean drinking coffee will necessarily lead to obesity. Other factors, like what you add to your coffee, could also play a role. Interestingly, the study found some differences between 2 different cohorts. In the US-based 23andMe cohort, coffee consumption was positively correlated with anxiety-related traits. But in the UK Biobank cohort, it was the opposite. This suggests that cultural or environmental factors might influence how our genes affect our coffee habits. Despite these intriguing findings, the researchers emphasize that their study doesn't prove that coffee is either good or bad for your health. Thorpe makes it clear the focus is on the genetics of coffee intake and its relationship with health. So keep enjoying your coffee, but remember, moderation is key. So next time you're sipping your morning cup, think about the fascinating role your genes might be playing in that moment. And if you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.